Welcome to this 23rd session of corporate communication. In this session, we are going to talk about ethics in sales promotion and in ethics in marketing and sales also. So, what do you mean by ethics? Ethics means a set of moral principles which govern a person's behavior or how the activity should be conducted. In other words, ethics means doing the right things. So the ethics had certain values like honesty. Honesty means to be truthful and forthright in our dealing with customers and stakeholders. Responsibility means to accept the consequences of our marketing decision and strategies. Then fairness means to try to balance justly the needs of the buyer with the interest of the seller. Then respect, to acknowledge the basic human dignity of all stakeholders. Openness, to create transparency in our marketing operations. Citizenship means to fulfill the economic, legal, and societal responsibilities that serve stakeholders in a strategic manner. So these are few values which shapes the environment of ethical behavior in sales, in marketing, in overall functioning of an organization. Why ethics is required? Markets present a clash of interest between various players. That is fact. Is resource the main reason of clash is the scarcity of resources. There is a competition for resources, competition for customers, price. These competition breeds ground for activities that may not be ethically correct or appropriate. That's why a certain code of conduct, policies, and practices calls, called ethics are required to manage the market and the marketing process. So, in the context of marketing, ethics means principles or values by which marketing ought to be conducted in the marketplace. What benefit mm, the organization may get if the organization is acting ethically? There will be minimum scope of conflict and dissatisfaction among the various stakeholder of the organization. Trust, faith, respect for the organization increases, which ultimately results in a higher brand equity. Respected organizations attract talent, procurement and organization of resources becomes very easy. Ethics improves the overall efficiency of the organization. People feel motivated to work in an ethical environment. It creates satisfaction among all the stakeholders. So, if we talk about a specific ethical things in sales promotion, so all the schemes, contest, or whatever tools are applied for sales promotion should be executed fairly without any manipulation. Commitments or promises must be honored. Products which are not safe for consumption should not be pushed by using any kind of promotional tools. So, according to American Marketing Association, marketers shall uphold and advance the integrity, honor, and dignity of the marketing profession by being honest in serving consumers, clients, employees, suppliers, distributors, and the public. Thank you.